Hey there, recteq family, I'm Chef Greg, and we're getting ready for the ultimate Thanksgiving at HQ. Jody, John, and myself, and even Ray are throwing down because you never know what's coming at you this year. We have a great updated sausage stuffing recipe. We're just throwing some Swiss chard as kind of our curveball there, but we've got this recipe coming at you right now. All right, so we're gonna bring you some traditional flavors here. We've got a pound of hot Italian sausage. We're gonna take it out of the casing. We've got, oh, I made a mess right there, see? God, I'm glad I'm home making a mess. We've got some pancetta here. I spilled a little bit, but this is gonna give us that sort of salty, smoky thing going on. It's gonna be amazing. Swiss chard, look at the color here. If you like green, Swiss chard is sure not to disappoint. Got some good texture there. It's gonna be really, really good. So all we're gonna do is dice up an onion, render off some pancetta and some sausage. See you at the recteq. We've got the RT 590 rolling 350 degrees, burning those delicious recteq Ultimate Blend pellets. We're preheating a 12-inch cast iron skillet in there. We're gonna go ahead and render out that pancetta and that hot Italian sausage. And again, all of that flavor that's coming out of that sausage is gonna really make this the most amazing stuffing ever. But is it stuffing or is it dressing? I don't know. We'll go ahead and add in that chopped onion, about a tablespoon of COLDEN'S FREAKIN Greek. Again, here's a secret for you. Engage riot mode. Do the same thing with that Ben's Heffer Dust. About a tablespoon. And about a teaspoon of Chef Greg's 4-letter rub. This is gonna give us some good savoriness. We're gonna add that chopped Swiss chard. It'll only take a couple minutes for that to wilt. And then we're gonna add in about a quart of chicken stock or turkey stock. And we just want this to warm up because we'll add that to our dry breadcrumbs and start to make the most amazing dressing ever. The RT 590 made quick work of this. We're gonna go ahead and dump this on your favorite stuffing package. Again, this is like a 32-ounce package of breadcrumbs or stuffing mix. Woo. Don't forget all that good in the bottom of the pan. We're just gonna gently mix this because I want those breadcrumbs to really be hydrated in that sausage fat and chicken stock and soak up all of that delicious goodness. Again, the Swiss chard is gonna add tons of color here. That COLDEN'S FREAKIN Greek is gonna add a ton of delicious herbal notes. And if this sets for, you know, just a couple minutes and those breadcrumbs or stuffing mix is still really dry, you can add another, you know, half cup or quarter cup of that stock in there, and it's gonna be absolutely delicious. We've got our casserole dish. I'm gonna give it a light spray with some baking spray because I don't want any of this to stick because Jody, John, and myself wanna eat all of this delicious food for our Friendsgiving. I love putting some good coarse greens into my stuffing. And then we're just gonna kind of push this down a little bit. If you're prepping ahead of time, you can go ahead and put this back in the fridge and heat it up and cook it day of. We're gonna go right back in that RT 590 at 350 degrees for right about 45 minutes till it's golden brown delicious. See you at the recteq. We made this delicious sausage dressing or stuffing, I'm not really sure what you call it, on the RT 590 at 350 degrees. Took right about 45 minutes. It is golden brown delicious. It's almost time for Friendsgiving over at HQ. I'm gonna get a bite. Ooh, chow please. That's it. This is the stuffing of 2021. I'm just saying it right now. That's it. But, all right, guys, it's time to get this wrapped up. We got Friendsgiving. We'll see you at the recteq.